Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Tonight we're gonna unbox this Maisto 1:24 scale Audi R8 V10 Plus assembly line. This is a nice model kit. Actually, it has different kinds of wheels you can choose to put, and you can assemble this easily with just one tool, screwdriver. So we're gonna open it and I'm gonna show you guys what's inside. I bought this from a friend. Oh, sorry about that. He bought this for $20, but he just sold me for $18. And so this is what's inside the body. 2, 4, 6, 8 wheels, and oh, it has a screwdriver. Actually, it has a screwdriver included already, so you don't need this anymore. And you have the chassis and the interior and the engine. And seats, wheels, and hardwares. And this is the manual. Yeah, it's pretty easy to assemble. It says skill number 2. So yeah, let's begin. So here it is, guys. This is all the parts that are included: the body, the chassis, the interior, the seats, the tires, the wheels, some headlights components, the rear wing, the dashboard, steering wheel, side panels, the grill, front grill, side, I don't know what this, canard or something. Yeah. And oh, license plate has a, I don't know, focus. Yeah, it has a license plate included. So let's begin assembling this one. So that's it, guys. It's finished. I decided to use black wheels instead of the gray one because black is more look menacing on this dark red, like maroon color Audi R8. Actually, I have a gray color of this one already, but I like the color of this one. So the details is pretty much awesome. The interior carbon fiber stuff, like this one is carbon fiber, look. And these side panels, carbon fiber rear wing. The details at the back, the tail lights, the diffuser, the wheels, the engine, and the front fascia of the car. It's pretty much awesome for these kind of models. And the interior, as you can see, I don't know if you can see it, but it looks pretty much detailed for this kind of scale. Let me grab the gray one so I can show it to you. The gray one is right here. It's pretty nice metallic gray too. It's pretty much the same, just the color is different, and the wheels. This one I use gray, like this one right here. But I'm gonna change the color of this one to more nicer color than this. So I have 3 colors of wheels to choose, and that's it. That's it pretty much for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you're always notified when there's a new video that I uploaded. Thank you guys for watching. Enjoy. Have a nice weekend. Peace.